Hello students, in this video we are going to solve a nice exponential problem. We have 27 power x plus 9 power x, this is equals to 150. Here we need to calculate all possible values of x where x belongs to real number. Students, if you like my videos then please subscribe my channel. Now let's start solution of this question. Here 27 power x plus 9 power x, this is equals to 150. 27 is 3 power 3 bracket power x plus 9 is 3 power 2 bracket power x, and this is equals to 150. We know that a power m bracket power n, this is equals to a power n bracket power m. If we apply this rule here, then you can say 3 power x bracket power 3 plus 3 power x bracket power 2, and this is equals to 150. Now here we will apply substitution, and if we substitute 3 power x, this is equals to m. Then m power 3 plus m power 2, and this is equals to 150. Now m power 3 plus m power 2, this is equals to 150. m power 3 plus m power 2, this is equals to 150 is 125 plus 25. m power 3 plus m power 2, this is equals to 125 is 5 power 3 plus 5 power 2. Now if we take all the expressions in same side, m power 3 plus m power 2 minus 5 power 3 minus 5 power 2, and this is equals to 0. Here m power 3 and then write minus 5 power 3 plus m power 2 minus 5 power 2, and this is equals to 0. Here we will apply again substitution, and here if we substitute m is equals to a and 5 is equals to b, then a power 3 minus b power 3 plus a power 2 minus b power 2, and this is equals to 0. In left hand side we have a cube minus b cube plus a square minus b square, and this is equals to 0. Factor of a cube minus b cube is a minus b is multiplied by a square plus ab plus b square, and factor of a square minus b square is a plus b is multiplied by a minus b, and this is equals to 0. Here value of a is 5 and value of a is m and value of b is 5. So here m minus 5, and this is multiplied by a is replaced by m square plus a is m and b is 5 plus b is 5 square plus a is m plus b is 5 times a is m minus b is 5, and this is equals to 0. Look carefully here, m minus 5 is common factor in left hand side, so if we take common m minus 5, then you will get here m square plus 5m, 5 square is 25, and here m plus 5, and this is equals to 0. m minus 5 is multiplied by m square plus 5m plus m is 6m plus 25 plus 5 is 30, and this is equals to 0. Now we know that if a into b, this is equals to 0, this implies a is equals to 0 or b is equals to 0. If we apply this rule, and here this expression is a and this expression is b, then you can say m minus 5 this is equals to 0 or m square plus 6m plus 30 this is equals to 0. Let's say this is case first and this is case second. Case first is m minus 5 this is equals to 0 or case second is m square plus 6m plus 30. M square plus 6m plus 30 and this is equals to 0. Here value of m is equals to 5. Or here we have a quadratic equation and here we will talk about only real solutions. So first we will check discriminant of this quadratic. Value of a is 1, value of b is 6 and value of c is 30. And we know that formula of discriminant is d is equals to b square minus 4ac. And we know that value of b is 6 square minus 4 and value of a is 1 and value of c is 30. Then 6 square is 36 minus 4 times 30 this is 120. 36 minus 120 is minus 84. Discriminant of this quadratic is negative. It means no real roots. M is equals to 5 and we know that value of m is 3 power x. So this m is replaced by 3 power x and this is equals to 5. Now if we take log both sides and if we apply this rule, log m power n this is equals to n times log m. Then this left hand side is x times log 3 and this is equals to log 5. Now divide both sides log 3, then you will get x is equals to log 5 over log 3. Now if we apply this rule, log m over log n this is equals to log m with base n, then x is equals to, and this expression is same as log 5 with base 3. Here value of x is log 5 with base 3. This is our final answer. I hope you enjoy this video. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.